In relationship, you need both partners to work together as a team to make it work. Welcome to my channel. I'm Liana. If you are new here, welcome. I'm a professional marriage and relationship advisor. I advise couples on how to build a much stronger and better relationship. In this video, I want to show you the 6 signs that your relationship won't last. When you're in a relationship, there's going to be sign and red flag that you need to acknowledge and notice right away, so you can either fix it or you can leave the relationship as soon as possible so you won't waste time and you have that time to actually find someone that will fit with you rather than just waste your time with someone else that doesn't fit with you and that doesn't love you and you just don't love them back. So what's the point of being in a relationship at that point, right? So here are the 6 signs that your relationship won't last. Number 1 is that your relationship is only based on the romantic attractions. What does that mean? Is that when we first meet someone, we're feeling like we have a crush on that person. But normally we will be like either in relationship with that person right away or be friends with them. But usually to people that be in relationship right away, they don't have time to get to know each other. And that attractions only last for a while. If you don't have the same interests, if you don't have the same perspective in life, it will be really hard for you to stay together because you guys won't agree on anything and you guys cannot come into compromise with each other if you don't have the same perspective or any kind of same interested in a relationship. Number 2 is that you don't like their friends. So, have you ever heard the saying that if you show me your friends, I will show you who you are? Well, usually when we hang out with a certain group of people, is that usually who we are because we like the common interests that they are into. That's why you are friends together. That's why you are close together. So if you don't like their friends, that might be a sign that you don't like them very much. Because if they're close with those friends and they don't want to improve and their friend is kind of not liking you back either and you guys have a lot of problem together, that means that you not necessarily like the person that you are with because their friends reflecting on who they are. That's why they hang out with them. Number 3 is that your relationship feel very one-sided. So when you're in a relationship and you feel like you're the only one that give it all, you're the only one that make plans, you're the only one that texted him or her in the morning or at night, and you're the only one that giving the effort in the relationship, that's a sign that your relationship won't last because eventually you will feel exhausted and you will feel very tired of being the only one in relationship for trying to make it work. In relationship, you need both partners to work together as a team to make it work. Number 4 is that you feel very controlled by the other person. When you're in a relationship, you need to be able to feel safe. You need to be able to have your own opinion to actually do what you want. But however, when you feel like you can't even have your own opinion on whatever you want to say or whatever you want to wear or whatever you want to eat, that means that your relationship come to the point that it's very toxic and it won't last. The more you stay in a relationship that is very controlling, the more that you get unhappy and you just get very stressed and you just get eventually, honestly, you will get depressed. So if you feel like you are in a control relationship and you're not happy about it, it's time to considering that you need to leave. Number 3 is that you can be yourself. When you're first in a relationship, you will polish your personality a little bit more, filter your personality or your smile a little bit more, make it more brighter, show off a lot of the bright side of your personality and hide a little bit of the other side more. So just like an Instagram post. When you post it on Instagram, you put a filter on it to make it look prettier. But however, if you consistently make this happen in your relationship and you cannot show them who you truly are, that means that your relationship won't last, because you're not happy with who you are, and you cannot trust them enough to show them who you are. You need to be able to trust your partner. You need to be able to feel comfortable with yourself to show your true self, because without showing your true self, you'll be getting exhausted of showing the fake version of you. It's like you're trying to pretend someone that you are not. So you don't want to be like that in relationship, and honestly it won't last forever. Number 6 is that you don't feel accepted in your relationship. When you're in a relationship, there are a lot of things that when it happens you don't feel accepted. Is whatever you do, you get a lot of judgmental from the other person. And I'm not saying that the good feedback where they want to improve you. It's a feedback that they only want to drag you down. Usually when this happens, because that they are jealous of you and they don't want you to do better than them. That's when they just not accepted of whatever you do, of who you are, of what you want to do. So when this happens, they're just going to be very judgmental of every single thing that you do in life. This will make you feel very upset, and this will lower your self-esteem down, and this is not a relationship you want to be in. So if there's any sign that is showing your relationship, you need to consider, and you need to talk to each other, figure it out, or if you can't, it's time to leave and find someone else that respect you, that you trust, and trust you and love you and support you of whatever you want to do. That is the true relationship that will last. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, comment down below. If you have any problem with your relationship, I would love to help you out. So just comment down below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well. I post videos every single week, 3 videos per week. So if you guys click the subscribe button, it will show on your new feed. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.